You feel like say the foreigner them, we come from Jamaica. You feel like I mean them mean or we out there love big?
Why?
Your eyelash, your eyelash, your eyelash. Your eyelash, your eyelash, your eyelash. Bling, bling, eyelash, bling, bling, eyelash. Before we start this video, I just want you guys to take your time out and go check the song that's in the comments. Eyelash, you see me? Go and check it out. Ladies, me know you love your eyelash. Don't make that song them miss you know. The song have a buzz. You see me I say? Go check out that song that make the person knows the Razablade send you. No, you can't go and go watch the video. Go on no? Go along no? Sure.
What's up everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and today I'm in my hometown, Maypen. I don't play pen. Today me just want to know the Jamaican people them beggy are the foreigner them mean. So I just want to know if you're the overseas and we are beg your thing. I mean you mean or are we love beg you know? Find out today we in a Maypen. I don't play pen. Alright, good day.
Good day.
What's your name?
Maya.
Alright, Maya. You ever call one of your family member overseas to ask them for your thing?
Yeah.
You get you?
Sometime. Me not get you sometime they say. Then I have it right and all can give me.
Alright then, so you feel like say the overseas people who come from here, you feel like I mean them mean or are we too beggy?
Are we too beggy?
Channel star.
Are we too beggy? I don't mean they mean. Cause then you one already same way. So me I say me no meet none with me.
Okay, you have good family member then?
Yes.
Alright. Good name, Bridget.
Yeah, go on.
Why name for your camera?
You can call me Gaza, man.
Gaza man. Alright. Big question for your Gaza man.
Yes.
You feel like say the foreigner them, we come from Jamaica. You feel like I mean them mean or we out there love big?
Why? I say I will love big some my time.
You feel like we
love big some my time. So my time for all over.
You know, yeah, you have the foreigner we are call him and they don't answer you if you wonder why they are praise so.
No sir, cause my family they answer me, you know, they look out for me still as it, so.
Once them see your name come up, them know so must not begging thing, you just a call.
Just want to keep in contact, you know. Heal up and go through.
Alright. But they are with?
Starville the genius.
You ever ask somebody a foreign for money and them give your family?
Family, alright. You know, so one time though, me ask my cousin for some money though, and boy, she tell me about how years to me they live life and all of them things they do and do. I'm tell you, you see, nowadays I can't make a family know say how you have things. Make them say you're poor. Make them think say oh, nothing not going for you. Because the moment when they think things are going for you, not get nothing.
Oh, so is it a thing with them overseas and them here like say, yeah, they look hurt, them now look for your way for a bigger thing?
No man. They tell them saying I got nothing. When I video call with them, put on some tape clothes, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man.
Strategy?
Yeah, man, strategy, man. What about some ashes for your hand and your foot, man?
White squall up and thing?
Nah, no lotion, man. Yeah, man.
So hold on, that means you feel like a we out a beggy or a them mean?
Them mean, man.
Them mean?
Them mean, man.
Chacha.
Yeah, man, them mean, man.
You ever hear none of your family them say, oh, like them other family are foreign mean, you see?
Yeah.
So hold on, you feel like say, are the foreigner they mean, or are we out a beggy?
Sometimes we out here beggy. Me not gonna lie about that.
Oh,
sometimes like overdo it, yeah. Sometimes we overdo it. To them that are foreign, so if you like say, then feel happy and always happy. So sometimes we overdo it. So sometimes I ask them and they actually don't give you, or you actually cause it by yourself.
JJ.
JJ, what going on? So why business about?
Yeah man, a female actress is dressed and blouse and shorts and everything for woman them, you know?
Yeah,
so
how we can find you?
Right in a Maypen town, right a fabric, right a house of fabric.
Alright.
Yeah.
Here my question. You got foreign before?
What you mean? I got foreign man, about 2 times I got foreign already man, about 3 different countries I go.
Alright, when you go foreign you have no bridge in the call you and beg your thing?
Wow, family too. Yeah man.
So alright, you ever when you're done here, you ever call none of your family overseas and beg them a thing?
No sir, I never call none of them.
Why you not call them?
Because I'm a hard working man, so I try to provide for myself and I try to not turn trouble to people.
Oh, okay.
You know? Not touch. Yeah.
So you feel like are we out there love beg or are them up they mean?
We out there love beg and some of them up they mean.
So you go both ways?
Both ways, yeah man. We out there love beg Some of them up there mean, but at the same time, some of them up there in a no better position than where we in our out here. You understand? Because when they are foreign, we are tougher than when they are yard. When they are foreign, you don't know nobody. You have to provide rent, you have to provide food money, you have to provide traveling money. You know, no family, no relative help, you don't know way whatsoever, you understand?
Somebody tell me say if they are foreign, even more like a little orange or whatever, I have to buy that.
What you mean? Yeah man, if I want water to drink, you have to buy that too, man. If I want water, you have to buy that. Anything I want, if I right there say I go, and you want to drive, you have to pay your transportation fare. You can't beg a man no drive, all if a man live next door to you, you can't beg him a drive or tell him say, drop you out this or drop you down a town or nowhere. You have to pay your bus fare. Yeah man.
Alright, bless up with that in a JJ.
Yeah man, big up yourself.
Good day, me there with?
Keisha.
Jesus Christ. Every Keisha get trouble, you know. No, alright, come. Alright. You ever ask a family member overseas for your money?
Yes.
You get it?
No, sometime.
So you feel like they mean or we out love big?
They mean.
Pipeline.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Here we go on now. Yeah. You ever ask no family overseas for your thing?
Yes, man.
You get it?
Yeah, man, I get it. But not all the time still.
You ever call your family overseas and they do like they want to answer your phone? Them phone?
You know, one of them tell me say, only when I want money, I call them. So I kind of top box them, you know. Yeah, man.
So you once a time call for money, that you go do?
Well, I know that sometimes we drop a text, but more time they want to call them and check up on them, and so we don't do that more time and feel a way to, you know. So you what to you. Sometimes you can't just call them when you want money.
Just link them otherwise.
Link them otherwise. Yeah, man.
You're here with Marian.
You ever link no foreigner overseas your thing and them send it to you? Your family?
No.
You never ask, you never ask or you never get?
Alright, me ask, you know, but me get it.
Oh, you get it?
Yeah, man.
Alright. You ever call none of your overseas family man is like them no answer them phone?
What do you mean?
Enough time. Enough time.
What you feel like, Kazi?
Them feel like me I go beg them some money so they don't want answer.
Oh. So you feel like are we beggy or are they mean?
Are they mean?
I make you not allow me make me talk lady.
Make you talk lady. Yeah, are they mean are you beggy?
But
they don't got it. Sometimes they don't have it, but they...
Boy, sometimes they feel like I beggy too much and then have it figure but they still have it.
So they mean then? Hey! Alright, somebody there so with?
Nitro, outside, right there so.
Okay, we're there so with Nitro outside, right there so. You ever ask somebody overseas for your thing, your family?
Not really, you know.
Not really, yes or no?
One time, one of them time me go so arena and say who's going and go so boom and make a transaction. I mean I say 40.
Oh, so you say you get it?
Yeah man, me get it. Me get it.
Alright, so like you ever like link on your people overseas and it's like you can't get them phone?
No, you know.
Your family them love you?
Yeah, cause me not have to them, you know.
Okay. So you would say Jamaican people beggy, alright, foreigner them mean.
I don't feel like say how we, you know, how we beggy cause more well not do we, you know. We call over foreign say you know say me hand broke. I don't know if I can say nothing. And not do we, you know. So we feel like how we love beg. I don't know. Just as say.
I'm here with the name?
Pam.
Alright, Pam, you know how long I don't see nobody named Pam? Alright, Pam. So here we go. You ever ask none of your family overseas for your money and get it?
Me not no family over there.
Oh, you're not a family over there?
Go put me one on me go.
Alright then, so alright, answer this then, let me see. You feel like, based on how other Jamaicans go on, because you don't have a family over there, you know. You feel like, are we beggy or are they mean?
I know, I can't tell you that. I mean, nobody fi ask, I mean, nobody fi call and beg.
So you're not a friend who said, me uncle Meanie?
Me not nobody.
Yeah, try to tell me so no Jai and I mix up.
No.
No, me and?
Wayne.
Wayne there, so you see me? Yeah. So Wayne, before me ask you, You ever ask none of your family overseas see a little money?
No really, cause me is a youth, me always a juggle. You see me I say?
You work your own?
Yeah, quite. Once or all five my family send a thing for me. Good same way, I me that same way, but I don't really depend on say me ask them for something, you see me?
Alright.
I full style at the road, cause we are juggler, band street hustler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so you feel like a we out love beg them or them me?
Well, what I say still, if depends enough if a man work for hard working one. And if you want something for your family, you know, push out. If you want to push out the effort, if you want something for stand, say for and say you want something to deal with, and you want say you go buy something, and you don't have your whole lot of money, and you want say you go check one of your family, check one of your clients. Yeah, for help you. Make sure you something you deal with the money, you know. And I beg them for check them for them. Hard working people, them and them work for their money same way. You see me? Yeah.
You feel like if you live in Jamaica harder than if you live overseas?
No, if you live in Jamaica home, we can't order Jamaica. Any man say they order Jamaica, them want order, see me? Because we have everything out there, same way if you eat, drink, and we don't have to eat overseas food same way. We, as a farmer, we farm our own food, our own purpose, our own thing. We trying to farm for send, go give them over there to eat. You see me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, bless up for that in a way.
Alright, blessed brother.
Bless up. Good day, I'm here with
Marsha.
Alright, Marsha. Well, I tell you who can come get with nails done, no Marsha. Where the ladies can get them nails done? Come.
House of Fabric Salon on Council Street Road, Maypen.
Are you a body son up here?
Me and Chin.
Oh, you and Chin?
Yes.
You're better than Chin?
No, it was bad.
Okay, alright. You ever ask none of your foreigner family them for your money and them send you?
Yeah, my sister. But some of them mean.
Okay, so Alan, you feel like they mean or a we beggy?
You know, say honestly, they ain't just bloody mean.
So we don't love beg?
Not every Jamaican love beg. We beg when we really need it, but them, they stingy with the money. And when they have it, and then I don't know nothing with it, them never have it. But you have some nice foreigner who love give. I have a best friend who love give. Big up Devin.
But there's a side
Antwain.
Antwain?
Yeah.
That name is sound rare though.
Yeah.
First name, Antwain.
Yeah.
Alright, if your parents them they are made so they don't want you to sound like everybody else. Alright. You ever shout on your family them overseas and beg them a thing?
Yeah.
You get it?
They ain't farm boat.
Oh, you ever try to call them and it's like you wonder if they don't want to answer because then things say you go beg them?
Yeah man.
Oh, you ever hear none of your family member them say, me say you want Tony money over so mean, you never hear none of that?
Yeah.
Bombard. So alright, you feel like a we out a love beg them or a them mean?
They just mean.
And Vivian Brand.
Alright. You feel like the foreigner them, fully Jamaican foreigner them, you feel like them mean or a we beggy?
Are we beggy? Yeah.
You feel so?
Yes, we beg too much. That's why them don't like us.
You feel like if we tone it?
Yes.
They will be general today. What name?
Nickel.
Alright, Nickel. Big question today. You feel like the Jamaican foreigner them mean or are we out a beggy?
Yo, tell the truth, still you play Jamaican and love big.
Wait, so we go hard for the begging?
Man, then go hard for the begging, man. Fuck. Excuse my language.
Alright, good day. Somebody there with? Your name, please?
Miss Walters.
Miss Walters. You ever ask none of your family overseas for your money?
No, I go and work my own.
Okay. So you feel like say we out here beggy? Or them mean?
Not all, but you have some of the lazy boys and girls do not want to work.
Oh, so them no mean? The foreigner them no mean, I will not beg.
The foreigner them, if they even come and mean, why they mean? Because they have to work very hard over there. Yeah.
And money no grow up on tree?
It don't grow on tree, you have to work for it.
Okay, thank you, Miss Walters.
Okay, same to you, sir. Rashida.
She there on Stark Street. We get her trouble every time we forward there. So is it? You ever call on your family them a foreign and beg them a thing it? Alright. You feel like say hey, you feel so? Alright. You feel like say we love beg them or a them mean?
Then just mean.
Them just have a little money and want to give a little pittance.
Then if they don't want to give me, I beg them.
Okay, so but they mean though?
They mean, some of them mean, yes, of course. If I them fi send one little chupans come give you, then baby mother, then nephew and niece or so, they not do it. Enough of them not do it. So we not really beg people, we're independent, we do it own a thing. If we can't find it, we just hold with composure, we just hold with own. Till things start rolling.
Okay.
You understand when I call them and beg them none? Because sometimes they see your number and then see I want Jamaican I call, then I want to answer you. Them are embarrassed you, so you just not bother deal with them. Or if I call them, ask them, alright, then think of something I beg them, so we not bother link them, we just lower them.
So sometimes they see all the Jamaican number and they just hang up or block you.
Yeah, all them way there. All them way there nice. And when they get deeper right there, so them a come.
Right back in a yard.
Right back here, so we no bother, we not running in pan them, we just hold we own.
Alright, but there's a side.
They're beside RB, huh?
RB?
Yeah.
Alright, bless. Oh, alright. Yo, you ever show out any of your family member them overseas and beg them a thing?
But all the time, but I don't get none.
Oh, you don't get nothing?
I don't get nothing more while. But it's the time hard.
You ever try to call them and not get them? Like if you see them online on WhatsApp or nothing?
Yeah, enough time.
So alright, you feel like a we out here beggy or are them mean?
Are them mean, man?
Mean?
Are them mean, man? We not mean.
Don't know.
Are them mean?
So you don't feel like we are pressure them sometime?
No, sir. Because one time when I call them for 1, 2, 3 days, 4 years. That all for 5 years when I call them and when I see them online and text them and ask them for a little money. Ah, no, I don't see no money.
Jaja. So I save this for last because people love to click off a video before it's done. Anybody will make it to the end of the video, a few questions I'm going to use for the next public interview. So if you have a question where you want to ask in the streets, comment it below and I ask it in the next public interview. Why am I so red, man? At the editing. Pew pew.